Hello friends, you are on my channel and now I demonstrate you how works special software for 1xbet. This is official Telegram for official MultiBot Telegram chat, Telegram channel. Use only official links. Okay friends, now this is fast demonstration because in full video you can watch in my Telegram account. Okay friends, you can see this is official mirror for 1xbet. I use mirror because official 1xbet is blocked in my country. I refresh this page and you can see refresh page. You can see it's official page. You can see this is current match. CAF is changed. You can see it now. You can see this current match. You can see current time where I record this video. You can see my balance now, and now you can see my Pyro account. This is 0 in my account. Okay friends, now I open my software who helped me. Now I passed my oh my god, this is Pyro account. Okay, I passed. Oh no. Okay, I enter my Pyro account. Oh my god. You can see now I am okay. I demonstrate how I open my personal profile. You can see my ID account, and now I'm go to back. You can see it all work. It's real work, all cool work. Okay, now I passed my ID account. Now I enter my password on my this account, and now I enter my minimal amount, minimal wizard for this program. Okay, I enter maybe, you can see no, it is fast demonstration. Okay, you can see. Okay, submit. And now this software connection to my 1xbet account, and now this software make money. How it works? This software open any game and do force and use its special algorithm. This software make money. It's amazing. It's perfectly software. I demonstrate it now. You can see my balance. You can see my balance. You can see this software now added the money on my balance. Now I refresh this balance. Oh my god, refresh. Okay, you can see because its software is added in balance. And now this software, you can see withdraw my money in my Pyro account. Now, oh my god, you can see added amazing. You can see how it works. Now I added the speed on this video because it's I don't need very long video. I refresh this balance.
Oh my god, refresh. Yes, good. You can see. Okay, this software is very difficult, very different, and this software get very big resource, internet, good internet, and you need big PC for use it this software. Okay, now we wait a little hold because need hold. Oh my god, yes. Go to the connection to the game. You can see coefficient is refresh. All time is change. All work. It's real official 1xbet site. Good. Okay, friends. Now we wait. Change status. You can see balance is added. I refresh. Good. Okay, and now we wait. Added. You can see. Yes, this program, you can open this program and write money on your account. It's amazing, my friends. It's real cool work. You can see balance is changed. I refresh. Balance is changed. Okay, cool. You can see. Now I refresh. Oh my god. Refresh. Good. Okay. Pause is action because need change game. I think this software now change game. because this soft don't block your account and need change, need hold, need change game, need other action. Okay, friends. Wait. Okay, cool. Now, this software withdraws my money, and we wait. Oh my god, I refresh, you can see, balance. And you can see transaction in my Fire account. Now we wait, and now I start the video because it's small demonstration. I refresh this balance, you can see, balance is refresh. And now, oh my god, you can see, yes, my money go to my Fire account. Amazing. Okay friends, now I start this video. Subscribe to my Telegram channel. Use only these official links, use only these links. Subscribe to my Telegram channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and use only official links. Goodbye and good luck.